how easy it is to use. And then once I introduce it to other users within the company, and it's like an aha moment, like, oh my gosh, this is leaps and bounds over what we used to do. I'm Karen Roberts. I'm the controller for Agora Publishing. We're an international publisher of financial, health, travel, and special interest type newsletters and books. Now we have over probably 2,000 employees worldwide. We were in dire need of a document storage solution. We had a sales tax audit where auditors would come in and make sure that we were paying Maryland sales tax. So we'd have to produce a lot of documentation. What happened was we had a lot of damaged documents. We couldn't put our hands on a lot of the documents, and therefore things were missing. So the state assessed penalties on us, and they were substantial, to the tune of in excess of $100,000. $100,000. That was the day of infamy, when I had to sign a check for that much money for something that you could totally control, but it wasn't important to us at that time. And that's when it came to our attention that what we really need to focus on is a strong document storage retention system. Well, we need an immediate solution. We were audited through 2011. So what we need to make sure is that as of 2012 forward, we had a process in place. And that's where DocLink came into play. It changed the whole dynamic of our office. Because if you think about it, if you're reconciling a balance sheet account and you want to run general ledger activity and pull back up for that information, in the past, would have to go to the basement and would have to pull those details. Maybe would find the information, maybe not. Now we go to our desktop, we go to a mobile device, and we're able to pull it up. And this is such an exciting event in my office because I love sharing this with our other affiliates. So if I'm reconciling inventory, I can go in, I can enter the general ledger account for inventory, maybe the period that I'm looking at, and then all that information drops down. Just click on that information on the icon and I see all the detail. Whether I want to email that to someone else or if I want to print it, if I want to annotate on it, it's all at our fingertips and it's that easy. Having this in place, it actually has helped us step up the compliance that we have requested on our employees. So when they're turning in their expense reimbursements, they now know that they're going to attach receipts, and especially how important it is to have that sales tax piece attached to it. I would just have to say the ease of use, that we were able to roll this out, and I don't need to spend any time training any of our users on it because it's so intuitive. So that aspect has such a beauty to it. Future plans is right now we're in the process of going into a workflow environment. So we're thrilled with this. And because we are at Agora, we're set up so that we're decentralized. So we have 10 different offices, which means we have multitudes of people, different levels of management, people that need to approve. And now we'll be able to route documents from accounts payable. We'll have control of it and route it to whatever affiliate, and then ultimately comes back to the accounting department and we upload it into our software. So we never lose track of where an invoice is. When we're issuing financial statements, we know what invoices are outstanding, and so that we are prepared for that, we can reach out and request that they send this information back to us. So that's where we're heading. So we're very excited about that process and how that's going to free up our accounts payable departments.